Joseph Yum!
Hey guys, it's Joseph Let's Plays, and I'm here with my brother Andrew, and he's going to be showing off his 10,000 plus TNT phenomenon. Okay, so let us begin. Alright, so what do you got going on there?
I kind of built a random shape TNT tower, completely filled in.
Oh, no, now it's probably like 9,998. Yay, 7, whatever, I don't care. Okay, so.
Alright, so,
is this tower a female or a male?
I don't know, you ready to find out?
Okay.
Okay, it's time to pull the lever.
No,
No, it didn't.
you didn't.
God, come on! Alright.
Pull the lever!
Yay!
Yay! Run. Why are you going closer? You're just gonna die!
Holy crap!
Run!
Oh my god! Crap!
You can't even hear the explosions.
Whoa, now you can. God!
Oh my god, it's raining, man! It's raining, man! Hallelujah, it's raining, man!
Whoa! God, I don't want to die right now. No!
Ha ha!
Shut up.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is 10,000 plus TNT exploding upward.
And it left this.
It left this. It could be bigger, like, if we built it downward,
No.
then
If
it'd
this
be...
is on the PC, it'd be a freaking crater, but...
Oh yeah, if it was on Minecraft, like, PC version, it'd be a lot bigger.
But TNT does less explosion on the Xbox.
Alright guys, so that is our 10,000 plus TNT. You can thank my brother for that, because I had no part in this.
Well, I want to give a special thanks to JetsFan, 956. Oh, yeah, that's it.
Alright, well,
much it.
bringing you buttloads of time from Jay Senef Let's Plays, it is time to sign off. So, this has been Senef eating cookies. Subscribe, rate, comment. I don't really know the order, but you can ask Jacob because he knows the order. But
Yeah.
goodbye. I love you.